Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, today it's a short plant video and let's see how my plants are doing, starting off with my lovely syngonium, bright and beautiful. Now today I'm going to show you some of my chrysanthemums where numerous buds have already formed. Now this is one of them. It is a big bush. At least I can call it a bush. Now those are the little buds everywhere. I have not counted them, but there are numerous of them. Now this is the other one. See, so many buds. This is the second plant that I am showing. As it is getting the direct sunlight, it is looking a little withered, but after some time it's going to spring back. Look at the buds. Everywhere I can see buds. I'm just waiting for it to bloom. Wait, I just spotted my Fred Ives. Look at the color. From green it has turned, I don't know, sort of bronze color. And the back side is light purple. This is my Echeveria, which is supposed to be green, but due to the sun, see how beautiful the color is looking. Now this is the geranium which my sister-in-law Rosa had given, and see, Rosa, if you are watching the video, the plant is about to bloom. See, bud has formed and I'm very happy and excited. Now this is the Echeveria pulvinate ruby which has been transplanted, and now I'm going to give it full sun and you are going to see the color very soon. Now moving on to my golden sedum. Look at the color, just wow. See how pretty it looks, how pretty. Beautiful plant, easy to grow, and this can be the beginner's plant who are into growing succulents. Easy to grow. And it's getting the full sun, and this is the color that we get. Golden color. Every time I forget to show you my ZZ plant, and right now my black ZZ is giving out new shoots, and the young shoots are green in color. The leaves are green. As it matures, it is going to go black. And so this is my black ZZ, or the raven. It is also called the black raven. It's a beautiful plant. Low maintenance. It is better if you forget watering, because excessive watering will kill the plant. I have another normal ZZ which I'm going to show you later. Now this is my devil's horn, Chrysula devil's horn, which has some buds ready to bloom in the evening. Interesting plant it is. Now that's my snake plant, or the Sansevieria, and I love this one. I'm proud of this plant, and very soon I am going to separate them, as it already has 4 heads in that little pot of mine. Now look at this fellow. Dried leaves everywhere. I need to clean it up, although I've given a few bunches to one of my friend, but still it needs some cleaning. Now this is my pink syngonium. So happy it looks. Beautiful plant, beautiful, which will never disappoint you. Very easy to grow and beautiful color combination. Look at the pink, dusty pink, along with the green. And the green is also such a beautiful green color. I just love them. Now that's my Aglonema lipstick, which I have bought it recently and it is doing pretty well. I'm happy with it. How could I leave my bougainvilleas behind? I had to show them to you. Look at the pretty blooms. So beautiful. Now if I don't show you the other one, it will get annoyed. Now this is the yellow one, or the orc. So pretty, so pretty. Just wonderful to watch them fluttering in the wind. See how pretty they look. So thank you friends for staying till the end. If you have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. And if you're new to our channel, to consider subscribing and keep watching plants, crochet, cooking and more. Bye bye.